Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you want to know how I achieved this cute curly updo, then keep on watching. Now, this hairstyle came about after a failed flexi rod attempt. But when I tell you, when they throw you lemons, make some lemonade, that is what I did. I like to start my flexi rod set on blow-dried stretched hair. So this is what we're starting out with. You're going to need combs. We're going to kind of like just speed through the tutorial, but I'm just showing you all the products that you're going to need. I use different flexi rods in my hair because I kind of like the look of different size curls in my hair. So what you want to do is start off with the middle part. Middle part works best, especially for a fail, because you can always hide it with a band. So I'm doing my sectioning. I usually do it in 5 separate sections. And that just makes sure that so much of the parting space in between the curls won't show. Now, usually my flexi rods are always on point. And if you want an updated tutorial on a real flexi rod set, I can do that for you. Make sure you like this video and subscribe. And just let me know in the comments you want to see it. But this one failed because I didn't have much time. At this point, I think it was like 12 o'clock in the morning. And I needed to be up at 5 o'clock in the morning for work. 1, you will not catch me outside with no flexi rods in my hair. And 2, I couldn't wear them to work anyway. So I had to take them out early. But I hate when you do so much work on a hairstyle and it fails. But girl, I was not giving up. So y'all could just watch this process in case you've never seen a flexi rod set, just so you can know what to do at the base of the updo. Reach this point of the video, hey girl, I go by the name of Lady Q because I'm a lady and everyone calls me Q. Life changed for me very quickly. I became a wife, a mom, again, a business owner, all in the same year. Oh, and I also worked full-time as a police officer. Couldn't forget that. But anyway, after I had the baby, I went through like this mini depression where I hated my body. I had gained so much weight and I was just like, ugh. But then all of a sudden, something about having a little girl just gave me this newfound confidence. And I was just like, we're about to find our style. So I've just been documenting my journey. And I think I've been finding some really good pieces that really fit me. So if you're into fashion and finding your style, you might as well just join this family. I'm a girl's girl, so I'm into everything beauty, lifestyle, fashion. I'm big on energy and I love to feel inspired to be my best self. And I hope through my videos, you are motivated to be your best self, because when home is not good, nothing is. I want to be a little big sis, so if this is something you think you're interested, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. And yeah, enjoy the music, enjoy the vibe. We're getting there. Just about finished with this style and it is time for bed. Good night. I will see you beautiful people in the morning. Now girl, it is 5 o'clock in the morning and I can barely open my eyes, but we got to get these flexi rods out because like I said, you ain't catching me outside with no rollers in my head. That is so ghetto. But it was at this moment that I realized this was a failed flexi rod set because it was not dry. I've been natural for about 10 plus years now, so I know when a flexi rod set has failed. And you can also tell from at the root, when you see that it's not all curled up, you see on that side there, poofy at the root. Yeah, that's how I knew it was a fail, but it's all right. I've done enough trial and error to know that this is not a total fail. You just gotta switch it up. And y'all, it's 5 o'clock in the morning. I'm tired, but we're gonna get through this together. So here we go. We're just gonna go and separate each curl, and we're gonna do this as gentle as possible. I've already said it was a fail, but you don't want it to be a total fail. If you're too rough in this process, you will ruin the curls. All you need for this hairstyle to work is for the ends of the curls to be unbothered. The roots don't matter because you're gonna end up picking it out anyway. Just using oil, which will help separate the curls easier. But if you don't have oil, it's okay. Just be careful. After I picked out the curls, I'm gonna go in with my pick and just pick it out from the root. Remember, do not disturb the end of those curls or your fail is going to be like a fail. So I'm just picking it out, and this is just going to give it the height and the volume that I want it to have. And when I'm going through this process, I'm only really manipulating the roots. I don't want to mess up the bottom of those curls. And if I see any spacing in between the curls, I'm just going to separate a little more. To create the updo, you're going to want like a really big ponytail bands, and I'm just taking out some of my curls because I want some to like fall at the sides and on the bottom. So you're going to take that band, and what you're going to do is push it up from the back. I made little bangs in the front just so that you didn't see just how frizzy it is. I'm trying to create the illusion that all the curls are falling to the front. Now I'm just going to tease the hair and get it in the position I want it to be in. You can make it as high as you want and as big as you want it. That's what I love about this style. Just keep in mind, do not comb or pick through the style. In the back, this is what we're looking like. But that's it. It's super easy. You can definitely achieve it. But this is what I look like for the night. This style is so simple. It's so chic. This style is so elegant. If you found this helpful, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.